In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot Pro in Excel. Before we jump into Excel, make sure you already have an active Microsoft Copilot Pro subscription associated with the same account you use for Office. If you're not sure, you can quickly check by signing in to your Microsoft account in a browser and confirming that Copilot Pro appears under your subscriptions. Once that's confirmed, go ahead and open Excel on your computer. When Excel opens, look toward the top right corner of the window and check which account you're signed into. You'll usually see your initials or profile icon there. Click it and verify that this is the same account that has Copilot Pro. If it's not, sign out, then sign back in using the correct account so Copilot can be activated properly. Next, make sure you're running a version of Excel that supports Copilot Pro. Go to the File tab, then choose Account, and look at the Product Information section. If you see that you're on a current Microsoft 365 subscription, you're in good shape. This is also a good time to select Update options and choose Update Now so you're on the latest version, since Copilot features often arrive through updates. Once updates are installed, close Excel completely and then reopen it. With the correct account signed in and everything up to date, you should start to see Copilot appear on the ribbon. Look along the top of Excel for a Copilot icon or a dedicated Copilot tab. In some builds, it may show up in the Home tab first, so check there as well. If Copilot still doesn't appear, go back to File, then Options, and open the Add-ins section. At the bottom, make sure Excel Add-ins or COM Add-ins is selected and click Go. Look for anything referencing Copilot or Microsoft AI tools and confirm that it's enabled. After making changes, restart Excel one more time. When Copilot is enabled, open a workbook or create a new one so you can start using it. You'll typically be able to click the Copilot icon to open a side pane where you can type natural language prompts like "Summarize this table" or "Create a chart that compares sales by month." Copilot uses the data in your worksheet to generate formulas, charts, summaries, and more, which you can then review and adjust. That's all you need to enable Microsoft Copilot Pro in Excel. Make sure your subscription is active, your account is correct, Excel is updated, and Copilot is enabled in your add-ins, and you'll be ready to start using AI assistants directly in your spreadsheets.